Hey, Dan Green here, and let's take a really quick look at CryptoMember, the new software that will give you the ability to create your own paid membership site for the booming crypto niche in just one click. Let's see how it works. So once we've logged into the software, all we need to do is head over here, and then we can choose a name for our site and then choose a niche. So it's so simple. All we need to do is choose a name. So I'm just going to go test. This is a test site. Obviously, if you are doing this for real, you take a bit more time and choose a great name for your site. I'm going to choose a niche here. I'll go with Bitcoin, and we'll create a site. And then just like that, we then create our site for creation. And within just a few minutes, we have a site completely created for us. So then if we click here, we can see we have an entire crypto membership site created for us. So this is recurring crypto income. So we have, as you can see, we've got a pop-up advertisement here. We can, by the way, we can disable all these ads if you wish to. So this is just how we've set it up by default to make you the most amount of money possible from your site. But you can see here we've got a bunch of different ads for crypto exchanges, which you will get revenue share of and paid in Bitcoin. And you've also got a bunch of different crypto courses. So these are all crypto trading courses related to your chosen crypto niche. So in this example, we chose Bitcoin. And you can see here, this is just a preview of the course. So anyone who subscribes, so anyone who goes down here and then enrolls, they will get access to all of the crypto trading course on your site. So you come with about, at launch, we are looking to have around about 20 different crypto trading courses, and then add in another one every single week for you. So within just a few weeks, you should have dozens and dozens and dozens of high quality crypto courses created for you by crypto trading professionals. So if we just skip ahead here, you can see here, this is all just incredibly high value crypto trading info. And remember, this is just a preview. So this is just a preview that anyone gets who comes to your site. If they like the look of the preview, they can of course go ahead and subscribe at any point to get access to all of the crypto trading courses on your site. And not only that, so not only do we get actually, I'll tell you what, that's just popped up again. So let me just explain how the actual advertising works. So not only can you make great recurring monthly income from all these amazing crypto trading courses on your site that are provided for you completely for free by us every week, we also provide a bunch of affiliate programs where we provide done for you ads. So these are what we've basically done is gone ahead and identified the most high paying crypto affiliate programs in the world. Well, these are in the world. These are the highest paying ones in the world, with average payouts in the hundreds of dollars. And it's so simple to get them to work. All you do is you literally click the apply link. So for example, we like to look at this one here, maybe. It's got a 45% commission payout. So all we would do is we'll click the link to apply here. We get our affiliate link, paste it in there, click the button, and then we're done. So anyone who clicks any of the ads on your site, on top of the subscription income that you're going to be getting from the monthly subscriptions, you're going to be getting all this referral income, this affiliate income from these ads too. And all you need to do, once you've pasted your affiliate link into these, you can then hop over. So let's go to the site here. We go to pre-made advertisements, and then to change any of these at any point, all we do is we just literally select. So perhaps I didn't like, let's just refresh this page. Perhaps I didn't like this pop-up here. All we need to do to replace that is we just click inactive, and then we scroll down to the bottom, and then we click save, and then we refresh the page, and you can see that's now been disabled. Maybe I want to change this one here. So all we need to do is disable that one, choose a different one instead, and then go and save. And then if we refresh the page, you can see that's been changed. So that's all we need to do. Okay, so on top of all that, so what's the use of a site? Let me ask you a question. What is the use of a site that has fantastic courses fantastic advertisements for some of the highest paying affiliate offers in the hottest niche on the planet right now. What is the use of a site like that if it doesn't get any traffic? Well, of course, there is no use. And yes, I'm sure you've got 1,000 amazing marketing ideas about what you're going to do with your site, how you're going to promote, how you're going to get traffic. But let me tell you something. It still remains true that the biggest and best source of traffic in the world is Google. And how do you rank a site on Google in 2021? Well, you do it by creating lots and lots of original content. It's certainly more true than ever that Google rewards a regular original content more than anything else when it comes to ranking your site on Google. So not only have we created done-for-you ads, done-for-you courses to make you money from your site, we've also created an entire done-for-you blog section, which is all related to your chosen Bitcoin, to your chosen crypto coin. In this case, it's Bitcoin. All about. So this is an entire blog section. So you get a bunch of posts created for you by default, and every single day, new posts are created for you, completely original posts created for you. So we can go in here and we can check out one of these, and you can see that it's completely fantastic. High quality original content all about your chosen cryptocurrency, and there's a bunch of posts like this created for you, like I say, and a new one is created for you every week. And you can see we've got ads embedded, we've got images, we've got everything you could possibly want. How does it all work? So if we just switch over here and we go to our site, so this is our site here, our test site that we just created, and you can see here that we've got a section called blog content sourcing. And you can see here that for every different every different crypto coin, we've got a different source. And these are basically just YouTube channels all about your chosen source. So this is a YouTube channel that's all about Bitcoin and Bitcoin related news. And every single time a new, so if you just go and have a look at this here, every single time a new Bitcoin related movie is posted on this channel, it is auto-transcribed. So that basically means the what is being said, what is being said in voice is turned into words to create a new post. So that's fantastically high quality new tech. It's turning what is being said in the videos into brand new content on your posts, and that's how it works. So you're getting brand new content that nobody else has, and it's being posted for you on a regular basis. So as soon as any new video is posted on here, so like I say, we include a bunch of we include some channels by default for you, so you don't actually have to do a thing. But if you want to, you can go ahead and add your own YouTube channels in. So if you've got a new content source that you'd like to use for your chosen Bitcoin or for just general crypto, whatever you want to do, stick it in here, and every time a new video is posted there, it will be auto-transcribed into a brand new post on your site. Again, advertising auto-embedded for you, images, perfect punctuation structure, and most importantly, brand new original content to Google that nobody else has. And that's how it works. Okay, so another thing I wanted to talk about is the design. Now, as mentioned, your site looks stunning right out of the box. So you don't have to do a thing. You literally just choose a name for your site, choose a subdomain, choose a cryptocurrency, or just choose general crypto as a niche for your site, click a button, and this is what you get. You get something that looks exactly like this, full of great blog content, full of great courses. But if you want to change any of the design, we provide tons of options. So let's take a look at that. So if we go here, and then we go to the site layout settings, you can see here that we provide a bunch of different options. So we provide a bunch of different themes that you can choose from. We provide a bunch of different color options, so you can literally choose basically any color you want for whatever you want in your site. You can change the title and the tagline. So if you remember, for example, here, this is what we called our site to begin with. It was just I just called it test, just as something quick. But I could maybe make this a bit more test site, and we could update that, and we can see here that we can change all of this. We could change that if we wanted to. We also allow you to change the different options. So for each of the different crypto coins that we have provided, we provide a bunch of different backgrounds for you to choose from. You can also, we have, as you see, got a default logo for you here, and you can choose to upload your own logo if you want. You can choose to upload your own background image. You can also, there's just hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of options here, really, in total. And you can also choose to embed your own social profiles here. And we've also provided an option for you to add your own SEO meta description and keywords, which is basically what appears under your Google description when you're ranked on Google. So we provide loads of options. But as I say, if you don't want to, you don't need to touch any of this. Your site will look amazing without you doing a thing. All you do is click a button. Okay, so something else I want to talk about is the opt-in form here. Now, you'll probably have seen here that by default, we've included an opt-in form for you. Now, we have done this so you don't need to touch a thing. So anyone who opts in here will automatically be subscribed to one of these auto-made lists. You don't need to do anything, and they will be automatically sent email promotions by us for any of these that you enable with your affiliate link auto-embedded. So this is literally a completely done-for-you system. Anyone who subscribes here starts getting emails sent to you for any of these affiliate programs that you enable with your affiliate link in, done for you. You don't need to do anything. But if you want to, so that's, again, another money-making system. So not only have you got regular recurring monthly income from your subscribers subscribing for the trading videos, not only are you getting amazing income from all the ads, or the banner ads on your site, and you're also getting done-for-you income from email too. So anyone who subscribes here, we take care of all of it for you. But if you want to, we also provide a bunch of different options. So you can create your own opt-in forms. So if you want to, here, you can go ahead, and we've got a fully featured editor here. So you can, if you don't, maybe you don't like this opt-in form, you want to create your own, you want to position it somewhere else, you can do that. This is what you see is what you get editor. So for example heading, and you'll see that as I type that, that's appearing there. So you've got a bunch of different options for where you want to display it. Loads and loads of different options. I won't get into all here because it'll take ages. You've also got the ability to create unlimited lists. We've got a bunch of lists done for you by default just to make the automatic email work. But you can create your own if you want. Create unlimited lists. You can have unlimited subscribers. You can create unlimited email campaigns. These are, again, just the default ones that send automatically to new subscribers for you. You can segment your lists just like you could in Aweber, and you can even go ahead and create your own automations too. So it's a completely done for you unlimited email autoresponder service, just like you would have with Aweber. But the difference is it's done for you, it's deployed for you, you don't need to do anything. You get unlimited subscribers, you get unlimited lists, and you can send unlimited emails. It's, completely, the power is all yours. If we go to our site here, as I mentioned, loads of these posts are, if you add a content source, a YouTube channel, all these posts will be created for you. But if you want to, you can go ahead and create your own manual posts at any time. You can also go ahead and you can edit any of these posts at any time. So if you don't like something that's been said, you can of course go in and change that. Similarly, we also allow you to add your own advertisements. So we've got, like as mentioned earlier, if we just skipped here, we've got a bunch of pre-made ads. You can simply click to deploy. But if you don't like those and you want to use your own ads, you can add your own at any point. So if you click here, so you could add your own ClickBank ads, just simply by copy and pasting some ClickBank here. You can choose your own image and location. Or if you want, you can use a JavaScript ad. So that would be if you're using AdSense or something like that. And again, you would just choose exactly where you want it. So we've got a bunch of different locations here. Next, we've got a bunch of different membership settings. So if we head back to our site here, and then we just check on one of these posts, so you'll see for all the courses, to be able to view them in full, you need to be able to subscribe. By default, it's $10 a month. But if you want to, you can change the different membership costs. So you could charge $5 a month for your courses, $20 a month, or you can give them all away for free. So we've got a bunch of different options there. And what else have I got to show you? Okay, so finally, I think it's just the site pages. So we also allow you to create pages. So let me just do an example page. So actually, I'll tell you what, I'll do about us because that's a popular page. And I'll just do example page. Keep this nice and simple, but you get the idea. So it's, again, these are fully visual editors, so you can add your own images, videos, whatever you want. And this is common throughout the whole app. So if you want to create your own, if you want to add your own images into your posts, into your courses, whatever you want, you've got full power to do that. So I'll just click save. And then if we go back to our site, you'll see up here, our new page has been created. So yeah, you don't need to touch any of this stuff. Basically, all you need to do is install the app, click the button to deploy your site, and start banking that recurring income. That's all you need to do. But we've got loads and loads and loads of different options if you wish to do it. So that is what CryptoMember is all about. It's about hitting one of the hottest niches right now. It's about banking recurring income into your Warrior Plus wallet, into your PayPal account, your bank account each month, whatever you want. All you need to do, it's very, very simple to hook that all up. And yeah, basically let us do all the hard work so you don't have to, and bank that easy recurring crypto commissions every single month.